God, I love lacrosse.
Are you ready for the comeback? You know we don't want that. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, this the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback?
Alright, good morning everybody. Thank you all for joining me on this beautiful ski day we have for the day. We just got about a few inches of snow overnight up here at Arapahoe Basin, and although there aren't any new lifts open, I believe the Black Mountain Express is the only lift that's actually operating besides the 2 trainer lifts that they have going at the bottom of the base here. The fact that we get to ride on a couple inches of fresh snow will be nice for a change of pace here on the earlier side of the season. But enough chatting, let's get riding for you guys. Let's get our stuff on. Let's go. All right, gang, let's take our warm-up lap. Let's see how the snow is. So I was actually up here last week with my wife on a Friday. Snow wasn't too bad until it got pushed around. Definitely got a lot of crowds last weekend for opening weekend, but snow's not too bad. Definitely can notice the inch or 2 on the ground. Ooh, we even got some moguls. Can't say no to that. Warm-up lap with moguls. Ooh. Yep, definitely need more snow. That's all right. Still good. Not too many people up here either for right now. It's about 11:30 a.m. and didn't notice too many people at the base. Although it is a weekday, so it helps, but it's awesome right now. Like I was telling you guys last video too, I waxed and tuned my skis a couple weeks ago. It's the first time I ever did it on my own, and I don't know, they're not too bad. I think it did all right. But that high noon lap right there seems to be the only one open, with a couple other accesses down to the bottom here, but that's the lap we got, everybody. That's the lap we got. Let's have a day.
Are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that ready for whatever. We gon' have to show them something, man. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. You don't understand that I'm doing what you can with no cap. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them. Yeah, they too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now. So are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the? Are you ready for the comeback?
Almost officially ate shit for the first time this year, but not yet. You haven't got me yet, you guys. You haven't got me yet, but I know it's coming. I definitely know I'm gonna be wiping out here eventually. Hopefully I wipe out later rather than sooner, but you never know on these mountains. So just on a couple laps here off of High Noon, and there really only is that one run open, that blue run. Towards the end of the run, it kind of splits off into 2, so there's like a steeper drop off on the left side towards the base. So really that's the only run we have open today, which, I mean, for early season, I'm just so happy to be out here, especially this early on this year. But either way, we're having a day.
Are you ready for the? Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, this the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback? I built this all from the ground up, it's all by myself, y'all know. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle, any person that comes got the weight of the world on them, yeah, they too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now, so are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the Are you ready for the comeback? You know we don't want that. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, it's the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback?
Alright guys, so basically we've been doing this same 2 laps off high noon for the last 9 or 10 runs. I can't remember how many I've done now, but just having a blast up here, and I think I'm gonna hit a couple more before I head out. But I don't know what else there to say besides just loving the ski season. I know it's early on, but just so much to look forward to and see, and just coming out here on a weekday just makes it so much more sweet too, because you don't get the crowds of the weekends. You don't have to fight up traffic on I-70 when you get up here. I'm just gonna soak up every single turn on these next few laps before I head out. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Let's keep enjoying it. Alright gang, just got back to the car. Had an absolute awesome day up here at A Basin. We only had a few runs to work with today, but going down the road, looking further down ski season, as far as when things open up, I think it's gonna be an amazing season. I cannot wait to do more runs and explore more terrain on a lot of these mountains. I'm gonna wrap this one for you guys. I got a Berry LaCroix for the way home. I just wanna thank you all so much again for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. I'll see you guys in the next one. God, I love LaCroix.